To remove or replace the left side I/O board, first remove the touch mat and the left rear cover. Grasp the connector handle on the board and pull it straight up to detach the connector from the board. Remove the two silver Torx head screws that secure the left side I/O board to the middle frame. Tip up the inside edge of the board and pull the left side I/O board out of the unit. To replace the left side I/O board, angle the ports on the board into their cutouts on the front bezel. Then press the rest of the board into place. Secure the left side I/O board to the middle frame with its two silver Torx head screws. Replace the connector to the left side I/O board.